Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to curve text in Word. Curving text can make your Word documents look more creative and professional, especially for headings, invitations or graphics. So let's start the video. To curve text in Microsoft Word, we are going to use the WordArt feature and the transform tool. So open your Word document and place the cursor where you want to add curved text. Now go to the Insert tab. And in the text section, click on WordArt icon. So click on it. Here choose any style you like. We are going to select this one and type your text. Now under Shape Format tab, click on Text Effects icon and move your cursor over Transform, and under Follow Path, choose a curve style like arch up, arch down and circular. So we are going to select this one. As you can see, our text has been curved. Click and drag the yellow handles to adjust the curve, and you can resize or rotate the text as needed. So that's how to write curved text in MS Word. Thanks for watching.